Guys,
today we're gonna be cleaning our bird's cage
and build their nests.
Yep.
Yeah. I already put one screw in. I'm just gonna put this fully in.
So it can hang on to the cage for the
what?
or
You know. Okay. We already put the screws in. I put the screws in. Now he will put this in. Just a handful.
It's like
Marek will put this in. Just a handful. It's like a nest, but a different type. He will put a handful in here.
Yeah.
This is where she lay her eggs.
Can you stop the video?
No. Can you take it out, man?
Now we got
There you
go.
Oh!
Alright, one more time.
No, man, this is the dimmish. You're going around, smoking around, that's into the top. I see a Ghana, stuff. Hold that right there. I see a frock on my shoe right there. How about the V on my frock right there?
Alright, that's good now.
I'm a pool here. Yo. Now we're gonna put this on the cage. We will put it at the side right here. We have our birds.
Okay.
If you check the other, my etiquette to my other got an animal that's a pretty day. Now we will clean the cage. First we're gonna clean the sticks. Right, millionary? Now we're gonna put this in the middle because we already cleaned the cage. Now we're gonna put this. We're gonna put this in the middle. We're gonna separate them.
So female and male.
Yeah, into pairs. And one of them will lay eggs in the nesting home. Bano will put it in because he wants to. You see, so the Kiwi, Kiwi and Sky will be together, and Blue and Angel will be together. We already put the one down in the middle. Here are two birds, and the other two are right there. Now we're gonna put the sticks in. Look, he's so hungry. The whole face went in. He's swimming in it. Okay, look. This side is theirs, and this side is their one.
Now we're gonna change their food.
Okay, now we're gonna decorate the nesting home, which is this one, the nest box. And this at the side, then I'm gonna go over in Sharpie. I wrote their names on it. Now Bana will go over
with this
Sharpie. Look at this.
Amazing work.
Kiwi and Sky. Now we're gonna color it. Okay, we finished coloring it. And now we're gonna put it on the cage. And this is the final result.
It's cracking.
Two bougies are here, and the other two are here, and here's the nest for them, for her. Shy!